Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen, the designer, builder, and tester for Woody Logic surfboards. In this video, I'm going to be finishing up all the details on the 7-foot funboard. So I'm ready to start finishing the board. First thing I already started, but first thing I did was I took my orbital sander, put on a 120 grit disc, sanded the top and the bottom. Then I came back and I sanded the fins with 120. And this is my sanding pad. So what I'm going to do next is sand the rails. Then I've got a wash table. I take it over to, I just hose it off. I put a piece of tape over the vent port and I bring it back and I do the same process. So I'll do it for 120, 220, 320, finally 400. After that, I'm going to install the vent port. Then I'm going to cover the board in what I call its dolphin skin. I'll show you that stuff. It's a finishing type agent. So I'll go ahead and get started. Alright, I've done the orbital sander with my 220. Now I'm ready to start wet sanding the rails, fins with 220. And I'm going to make sure you get wet dry 220. I cut the sheets in half and I have a little sanding pad. It's kind of a foam pad. You get these at automotive paint stores. They work really good. Don't use a block of wood. Use something like this. Also, when I'm doing my wet sanding, of course I need a bucket of water and Dawn, or this is kind of fake Dawn, but it works really well. You want to sand the length of the board. You don't want to go across the board unless you're trying to get out a high spot and then come back and go that way. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 220, do the rails, do the fins. I'll probably go over the whole board and the bottom too, you know, the top and bottom. And then I'll do it with 320, and then I'll do it with 400.